Hello, I'm Mia with Exquisite Floral Design and Events. I am a florist extraordinaire, and I'm here to give you information on how to run your floral business either from home or in a shop, or for all my newbies. And today I get a lot of questions on, well, how do I price my flowers? And at the beginning of my journey, that was one of the hardest things that I had. Well, it wasn't not hard, but it was, in order for me to be profitable, I had to figure out what was the best way to price my flowers in order to make some money, because we're all in business to make money. This is not a hobby, or I mean, it could be a hobby for you, but for me, it's not a hobby. So I had to figure out how to price my floral business, and so these are some of the ideas that I came up with. So our main goal is to make a 70% profit margin on everything that we sell. So say I sell a $100 retail floral bouquet. In that, $30 should be what is the cost that I have in making it. So the flowers, the vases, all that stuff should be $30. Should cost me $30. The $70 should be my profit margin. And so in order to accomplish that, these are some of the things that you also need to do. So one thing is that you need to mark up your wholesale flowers either 3 to 4 times the amount. So say a rose from your wholesaler costs $1. For you to sell that rose, you should be charging $3 to $4 per rose in each arrangement. So say we are doing an arrangement with 10 roses, we should be marking up those 10 roses those 10 roses at $4 each, should be $40 for that arrangement. That's not including, remember, that's not including your vase, your floral tape that you use if you need to tape it off, your greenery, and it's not including even that 1 scoop of floral food. So remember, we have to include that in everything that we do. So remember, you need to mark it up 3 to 4 times. Generally, most people do 3 times. Some of the people who have been in business for a little longer than most people, or have a really high clientele or high-end clientele, can mark up 4 times. Me personally, I mark up just 3.5 times, but I also add on, I mark up 3.5 times, but I also mark up a design fee. So the design fee is the amount or the time it'll take one of my employees at $15 an hour to make an arrangement. So I have the cost of my goods, and then I also include that hour or so, or say, because most, like me, it takes me 15 minutes to make an arrangement. So, but some of my employees will take 30 minutes. So if at $15 and times 0.5, because that's going to be half of that hour, that's what the cost is for an arrangement. So that's one. Now, we don't mark up our hard goods, and our hard goods would be our vase, the floral tape, the 1 scoop of floral food. We only mark those up 2 to 3 times. So if we have a vase, let's see, who do we use? So you guys always know I use Floral Supply of Senegal a lot. And so one of the main vases that that's used primary a whole lot in your business would be, let's see if we can find one, really one expensive one. Okay, it's this vase right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. Is that vase right there? So that vase is $4.75. I personally only mark up 2 times, so it would be what, 9 something, or if it was $5, it would be $10. Let's go with numbers. That's easy. Okay, so it would be $10. So to be $10 for the vase, it would be, say, if we only do the roses at my cost of, or say at $3, or say $4, which we originally, that was $40. So vase was $10. Flowers were $40. Say we end up putting in like a half of lemon leaf, which for my cost is $5, so $2.50 for that. So we have, look, I don't feel like trying to do this all in my head. So we had the vase, which cost retail price of $10. The roses were $40 retail cost. $5 for the lemon leaf, because we only use half at $5, but times it, oh no, we got to times that by 3. I'm sorry. So 2.5 times 3, or we're doing 4. 2.5 times 4. What do we come up with? There are 2.5 times 4. We came up with $10 for lemon leaf, $40 for the roses, $10 for the vase. And then, like I said, I add a designer fee. It would take me half of the time to create it, so $7.50 for our designer fee. And so what we had, 60 plus $7.50. So the retail cost of that arrangement would be $6.75. So that's basically the markup, and that is in the retail side. Now for my floral design business, I use what is it called? Curate. Awesome. And with this program, all you have to do, when you set it up, you let it know that, okay, I have $1.50, I have a markup fee of $3.50. I have my hardware, I have a markup of $2, and it just has everything in it. They use mesh for their flower part, and they use Floral Supply Syndicate for all the hardware items. And what happens is you go into it, you find, like, say you have a wedding, we're using roses for her bouquet. I will just end up flying like Playa Blanca roses, put that I need 5. It'll calculate how much it costs for those 5. Then it will also calculate how much it costs for, said, if I put the designer fee, I only need her for 25, for 15 minutes. I can put 0.25. It'll calculate that, and at the end, it'll tell me what the retail price is. Psh, easy peasy. Love Curate. I will be doing a tutorial on that next video to show you guys exactly how I use Curate, and how you would love it too. So real quick, let's go over your profit margin on floral. So your goal is to make 75% profit margin. 2, we want to mark up our wholesale flowers 3 to 4 times the amount. And 3, we want to mark up our hardware, which will, like, again, I said, vases, tape, food, anything like that. We want to mark that up 2 to 2.5 times. So hopefully that helps you out. If you guys have any questions, make sure that you leave a comment down below. I always answer back to let you guys know anything. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I still got 100 people to try to subscribe to get to my 10,000, and it's going slow, y'all. So don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you are a consistent follower or a consistent watcher, make sure you also come down below and let me know, so I'll know who my supporters are. And anyway, you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and I hope you enjoy this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Hehehe